What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a caption template as a preset in CapCut PC. First, open CapCut and load your project with captions. Next, select all of your captions, then go to the template section and choose the caption style you want to use. Once you've applied the caption template, click on any caption in the timeline. Then, look for the Save preset and click it. CapCut will save your caption style as a preset that you can use in future projects. To find your Save preset, go to the Media tab, then click yours and open My Presets. Scroll down if needed, and you'll see the preset you just saved. The next time you create a project, simply drag the preset onto your timeline. If needed, you can right-click it and select Create Compound Clip to make editing easier. And that's it. That's how to save a caption template as a preset in CapCut PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.